Griffith has introduced multi-factor authentication to ensure your information stays secure. This guide shows how to install and set up MFA on your Windows computer. Log in to MyGriffith at my.griffith.edu.au using your Griffith credentials. Select Start at the Welcome to Multi-Factor Authentication window. Select Desktop from Other Authentication Methods. Select Ping ID Download for Windows. Open the pingid.exe download file to launch the installer. If prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Select Yes. Review the software license agreement. Select I accept the agreement, then Next. If you are prompted to support roaming user profiles, leave the option unchecked, then select Next. Copy the pairing key from the desktop Setup browser window. Paste the pairing key into the Ping ID window. Click Pair. You've now set up multi-factor authentication on your Windows device.